Chronicle Online is the complete workforce management platform, bringing time and attendance, HR, access control, payroll, job costing, scheduling, and mobile apps together in one modular solution. Founded in 2018 and built on decades of industry experience, Chronicle now supports over 500 customers across the UK, US, Europe, and GCC. Our headquarters is in Shrivenham, UK, where every part of our service is delivered in-house. What sets Chronicle apart? We don't outsource. From development and project delivery to support, installations, and account management, everything is handled by our own team. That means faster responses, deeper product knowledge, and a personal service you can rely on. Our dedicated functions include an in-house development team, a UK support desk offering telephone, email, and live screen share help, delivery and installation specialists, experienced project managers, and account managers focused on building long-term relationships. Our mission is simple: deliver secure, innovative workforce management solutions that save time and improve the productivity of your workforce. Trusted across construction, manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, education, and more, Chronicle helps organizations manage their people with confidence. With enterprise-grade security and recognized certifications, Chronicle protects your people data and compliance obligations. And with FeatureBase, our public roadmap, and live change logs, our customers help shape the future of Chronicle. Chronicle Online. Workforce management built and supported in-house, with people who care about your company's success. Book your demo today.